Are in Furnace Creek, one of the oldest 1920 hotels. Beautiful. And what a view, huh? You can check out the hotel, the beautiful restaurant, first class all the way. Furnace Creek Inn. And look at that there. All that is Death Valley. Wow, they even have tennis courts. Like anyone wants to play tennis courts out here. Unbelievable. Anyway, out there, straight out that way, is what you would call Badwater. And here you go, here you go, here you go. It's just wonderful here, just wonderful. Anyway, Furnace Creek in Death Valley, California. Make it out here, you won't be disappointed. Very cool, very nice. Wow, beautiful. Look at those rock formations out there. This is the road back to Pahrump and then Las Vegas. Just beautiful. Okay, see you in Death Valley.